Intelligence plus character is the goal of true education. Next performance, I would like to call Govind Moria. Please clap for big hand for Govind Moria. Hey, do you know what it is? Yeah. So what it is? Money. So today I'm gonna tell you money. Assalamu alaikum and namaste to all of you. My name is Govind Moria. I belong to Karamdi. If I talk about my qualification, so I have completed 5th class, now I'm in 6th class from Madrasa Islamia Madinatul Ulum Banki Road, Gonda. I would like to thank ECL for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So today I'm gonna tell you money. If you wanna shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Assalamu alaikum and a very beautiful good afternoon to all the present here. Myself is Zakwan, I belong to Karamdi. If I talk about my qualifications, so I am 7th class, now I am in 8th class. Today, Mohd Gupta, standard 9. The topic is beauty personality. Clap a big hand for Mohd.
Try to look beautiful. From buying expensive makeup to watching the makeup tutorials. I literally skipped my lunch in order to buy the expensive process and follow this celebrity. I would like to thank ECL for giving me a golden chance to enhance my communication skills. Now I am going to tell you importance of education. Education plays a very important role in one's life.
First of all, I would like to thank ECL for giving me a golden chance to enhance my communication skills. Now I will tell you the system of disadvantage.
We are going to discuss about why habits need to learn English, because English is very important language in this time. If you don't know how to speak English, then whenever any do big things, like if you say
Assalamu alaikum and a wonderful good afternoon to all of you. I am Afsari, I belong to Alawali area. I am in 5th standard. Now I am pursuing 6th standard. Now I am going to tell you about Islam topic. So shall I start?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum and a wonderful good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sasin Khan. I belong to Alawali. I am in 9th standard from Pioneer School. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to ECL for imparting us the art of public speaking. Now I am going to tell you about aims and objectives of education.